Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video it will be about Litecoin, and in the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video I'll also discuss about Bitcoin, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space. As you see here, the big picture has changed, and I'm at the countryside. If you have heard some noise from the outside, I truly apologize for this. All animals from outside sometimes make some noises, so I apologize in advance for this. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow, and it helps the YouTube algorithm. Give this video a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 2nd May 2024, and right now Litecoin it is at about 79.41 US dollars. The market cap it is around 5.9 billion US dollars, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 461.49 million US dollars. The market cap it is pretty impressive for this coin. It is situated on the 20 position here on CoinMarketCap, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is also quite good. It is on a 24 position here on this platform, and the all-time high was in 2021 in 10 May. It was around $412. And what exactly it is Litecoin? Some of you that are older in this crypto space recognize the Litecoin as one of initial cryptocurrencies that was created long time ago in 2011. It was created from a fork in the Bitcoin blockchain. It was founded in 2011, 2 years after Bitcoin, so it is pretty old, by the former Google engineer named Charles Lee. It shares similar features with Bitcoin but has a different algorithm. The cryptocurrency goal is to become a medium for daily transaction. As Charlie Lee said, Bitcoin is gold and Litecoin it is silver. And Litecoin has a faster transaction processing time compared to Bitcoin. But let's go to the chart. On a trading view, we have here Litecoin paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from Bitfinex. And as you can see here, this recent weeks, this price had ups and downs, and I'll put here the 20 and 200 daily simple moving averages. And as you can see right now, the price it is somewhere at the middle from those two simple moving averages. Right now the price it is 79, 20 SMA it is at 82, and 200 SMA it is at 76. So the trend maybe will test the 20 SMA as resistance, and it can test the 200 daily SMA as a support. A general trend of Bitcoin, as you can see, it is downwards from the last day, and maybe the 200 daily simple moving average will be tested. And if this might happen and will break, I believe that the next level of support it will be at about $72.9, and the next level, if this will break also, it will be around 71.28. I believe these two are the major supports for now. Let's look on stochastic RSI and RSI on daily, and right now stochastic RSI looks bearish. It is almost in the oversold area, and RSI it is somehow neutral. It hasn't made some important moves ups and or downs, and I cannot have a conclusion on this. Let's move on a weekly and see what's happening on this time frame. And as you can see here, stochastic RSI it is in a downtrend. It may turn, because you can see here this blue moving average from stochastic RSI has a later turn, but for now looks bearish. And RSI, general trend for RSI it is upwards since September 2023. It may at the first glance appear bearish or neutral, but my personal thought it is that it is in slight uptrend. Okay, let's look on the 20 weekly simple moving average, and as I told you in my previous videos, I personally consider this indicator an important one that tells us if the price movement it is bullish or bearish. And right now the 20 SMA it acts as a support for the price action. 20 SMA it is at 79.26, and the actual price it is 79.52, so it is slight above this level. but the general movement, it is bullish on this time frame. The general definition for being bullish is that the price will be an increase of more than 20% in the last 2 months, but we will have a small measurement from till the actual price in the last 4 months, and we have an increase of 38%. So the price action for this coin, it is right now bullish from my point of view. And I'll put here also the 200 weekly simple moving average, and this one acts as a resistance. We have here from April 2024, so last month, a rejection from this level. We have here a small bounce on the middle of the April from the 20 weekly simple moving average, and right now the price action will test again this level, and we'll see what might happen. Okay, so let's move out on other time frame on monthly and see what's happening there. At 1 month, as you can see, the general trend for Litecoin, it is upwards. I put here some measurements from the previous Bitcoin cycles when Litecoin also put new all-time highs, and I put some measurements from the lower levels of Litecoin to the tops here on December 2017 when Bitcoin registered an all-time high, and I'll put the Bitcoin USD chart over here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And as you can see from this peak when the price was around $370, we have an increase of $38,200 from this minimum level to this top. The next cycle that puts an all-time high in May 2021, so I measured here from this minimal level to this all-time high from May, and the increase was around 1,800%. So I suppose that these are not so big differences between the top from 2017 to the top from May 2021. So there are small differences. This one, it is around 370. This one, it is around 412 or 413. And this value, 1,800%, it is at about half of the previous increase. So if I put here a new measurement of being about half of 1,800%, it will be around 900% the next increase from this minimum level that was from June 2022. And let's see what will be next increase of Litecoin. The next price, the next top, it will be around $400. And this, from my point of view, it will be a more realistic approach. That's my personal thought, that's my opinion. What do you think about this? Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me if I'm right or wrong. Maybe Litecoin will put a new all-time high, because from my measurement that I put here, it may not have some chances to put a new all-time high. This is at about the same level that was in the previous cycle from 2021. Leave some comments down below and tell me your thoughts about this. Okay, that's my thing, that's my personal approach. And let's discuss a little bit about Bitcoin, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space, including Litecoin. And here we are on a trading view again. We have Bitcoin paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart, it is from crypto. And as you see here, the Bitcoin, it is in a downtrend. It has a crash since about yesterday, and the actual level, it is about 57.5k. That it is support that I draw a few weeks ago and told you in my previous video. If you follow the last 2 or 3 minutes of every clip, I'll put here an update about Bitcoin status. Let's see if this support will hold. If this will not hold, I believe the next important support, it will be around 54.5k, around this area. If this one will fall also, I believe the next support, it will be somewhere between 50 and 52k, around this area. So that's the reality, that's the situation. I believe it is normal Bitcoin to have such a crash, such a correction, because the price was in a continued bull run for months and months. and I believe this is a healthy situation for Bitcoin to have this correction before pumping again and reach all-time high in probably the end of 2024 or maybe in the first half of 2025. We will see about this. These are my personal predictions. It might not happen this. Okay guys, what do you think about Litecoin? What do you think about the actual status of Bitcoin? Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your thoughts about this. Thank you guys for watching me. Sorry about the noise outside. I'm at the countryside. Once again, I apologize for this. And till next time, be well and see you soon.